Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9, and this is our product, which is augmented reality fitting room, and in short form, AR fitting room. So I will pass the stage to the next person.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarizati and I will explain problem statement and limitation. So for problem statement, the first point we have is market acceptance and consumer behavior. For example, we must know whether customers are willing to embrace AR technology and whether they are satisfied with the integration. The second point is technical feasibility and implementation challenges. Implementing an AR fitting room involves hardware and software integration and may also affect the allocation of costs and resources. The third point is user experience and interface design. Easily said, the AR fitting room application must provide a user-friendly interface for customers' interaction. The fourth point is data security and privacy concerns. With the collection of customer data in AR fitting rooms, ensuring data security and privacy is paramount.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Akilah. So I will present the methodology. In our company, we use 4 methods for our collection data. So first is where, who, when, and how we collect our data. So we especially collected data from retail outlets and malls in Selangor, Shah Alam. Our target audience consists primarily of Shah Alam Selangor locals who have used augmented reality technology in fitting rooms. How? We do surveys or questionnaires, which is distribute online surveys, which is Google Form, social media groups, or in person at selected locations. And we conducted data collection from started 24th of November until 4th of December.
Hi again, it's me, Sarah, and I will now talk about limitations. Addressing limitations helps in acknowledging potential gaps in the report's findings to allow further improvements in the AR fitting rooms development process. The first limitation we have is time constraints, the second is data collection challenges, the third is technological constraints, and the fourth is resource limitations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. My name is Ahmad Husam, and for product development, NPD is a strategic process of conceiving, designing and introducing innovative products and services to the market. It involves a series of activities across the product lifecycle from idea generation to launch and market analysis. It also aims to bring innovation, meet customer needs and gain competitive edge. So, for the key objective of NPD is the primary objective is to create a product that resonates with the target audience, offering unique values and proposition, dynamic and interactive process requiring collaboration across departments, and encompasses physical products, services, process, and business models. And our product is more to service and physical product. So for the classification, it have two types of classification. First is incremental innovation, whereas gradual improvement of existing product or processes. It focus on refining and optimizing the current offering, and lower risk strategy leveraging proven concept and technologies. And the next one is radical innovation. So this radical innovation involves creating entirely new products, services, or business model. It characterized by groundbreaking ideas that redefine industry norms, and it requires substantial research and development efforts, higher risk, and potential of substantial reward. So our innovative product. So for this product, we use AR and AI, which is augmented reality and artificial intelligence. Our product combines both of these. It allows customer to virtually try on multiple clothes item instantly. It captures customer image and use AI to superimpose clothing option, changing how customer interact with fashion. So based on these themes, our product classification is radical innovation, which we transforming the traditional retail experiences to more advanced ones, to more modern ones. It leverages AR and AI to fundamentally change customer interaction with closest option. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Irfan Afif, and today I'm going to explain to you about the Customer Trend Canvas. The Customer Trend Canvas, or CTC, is a strategic tool helping businesses analyze evolving customer behaviors and market trends. It outlines customer segments, their problems, and desires. The task is to aim to accomplish behaviors, emerging trends, and the customer journey. By detailing these aspects, it aids business in understanding their customers' needs and preferences, enabling better product development, marketing strategies, and overall the business decisions align with the changing customer trends. So, in the customer trends canvas, there are two pivotal stages stand out, which is the analysis and the apply. The analysis phase involves a thorough examination of customer segments, their behaviors, needs, and emerging trends. The application phase ensures that the insights derived from the analysis are practically implemented, fostering meaningful business outcome and adaptively to changing customer trends. Therefore, after all, as you can see here, the AR fitting room customer trend canvas is like a map showing how people use the virtual fitting tool. It looks at who uses it, why they like it, and how they shop with it. By studying all this, it helps shops understand what the customers want and how they can make the tool be better to match these needs. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fafi Sahadul Mahat. In this slide, I will explain about the research and development process. So for the augmented reality fitting room project focused on seamlessly integrating advanced technologies into the traditional retail experience. As you know, the research and development process is a systematic and organized approach that organizations use to innovate, create new product, improve existing product, or develop new processes. It includes idea generation, idea screening, and market survey. For the idea generation, first we find a common problem for existing fitting room, then we try to find a solution and improve the product. For example, customers spend a lot of time by trying the multiple clothing and it might time consuming. The worker also might face increasing number of returns from the customer. Customer also might have limited feedback such as always rely on the opinion of friends or family members. For the AR fitting room, we try to find a solution of this problem by eliminate of wait times, reduce return and restocking, and enhance decision making, and more. For the idea screening, we have checked products that have almost same criteria as us, which is Lenskart that experience virtual AR experience. From this inspiration, we try to develop the function for our AR fitting room such as virtual wardrobe integration, augmented reality mirror install. We also want to enhance the mirror effects. We want to put the body measurement scanning, and lastly, we want to integration with e-commerce platform. Lastly, for the market survey, we want the survey result indicate a noteworthy level of awareness and interest in AR fitting room. We want to understanding the current shopping habits and the factor influencing decision to try on clothing, and the feedback gathered from the market survey will serve as a guiding framework for the further product development and marketing strategies.
Next, we continue with the product design of the AR fitting room. This AR fitting room consists of four main components or features, which is the computer, the display, the user interface, and the high resolution camera. First of all, as for the computer, the system uses a fast and strong computer to make sure that the augmented reality app works smoothly and quickly. Next, we have the display. The display of the AR fitting room shows clothes in really clear detail on the screen. It makes the colors and the textures look very realistic. After that, we have our user interface. The buttons and how things are shown on the screen of our AR fitting room are made to be easy to understand and use. Customers can move around and try on clothes without having any trouble. Last but not least, as for our high resolution camera, the camera takes really clear and detailed pictures, either from your phone or built into the AR system. It's important to make sure that the clothes look real and fit well when the customers are trying them on virtually, so that they can estimate it and ensure that they're having their best experience during our virtual fitting room.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amza, and I will be presenting the concept testing. For concept testing, we conduct a survey, and this is the findings. And from this finding, we can see that the first thing what is important is the respondents, the detail of the respondent. First is the age, when most of the respondents are from 18 to 24. Thus, our findings will be more catered towards this age group instead of the overall population. And for gender, it is quite evenly distributed with male and female. And from location, most of the respondents are from the urban area. And most of the respondents responded with somewhat familiar with AR fitting rooms. And this is very good since this shows that most of the respondents have some idea of AR fitting room. Next is the aspects that the respondent like about the AR fitting room. For them, what is important is accurate sizing recommendation, and also the option to mix the clothes virtually, and the ability to visualize the clothing in different angle. That is what most respondents says that is important for them. And some concerns regarding the AR fitting rooms. First, the foremost is the privacy, which is with 63%, and the accuracy of the virtualization, and the technical glitches or issue that will happen in AR fitting room. And lastly, most of the respondents appeal to the AR fitting room. They would like to try it. Next is for the build prototype. So you can see that in our product, we combine the computer, the user interface, the display, and high resolution camera to build our AR fitting rooms. And we ensure that the room will be big because we want to capture the whole body of the user. And also because of the primary concern from the respondents are the privacy issue, we might consider open sourcing our software and hardware to ensure transparency between the user and build trust with them. That's all.
For the testing marketing, the purpose of the testing marketing strategy for the augmented reality AR fitting room, we want to understanding the consumer perception and expectation and the potential barrier. We also want to gain deeper insight into the consumer behavior. We also want to learn the lesson from the feedback, data analysis, and customer interaction. And lastly, the survey and evaluate the impact of the AR fitting room on purchase intention.
So lastly is conclusion. In conclusion, the way that augmented reality AR is being used in retail settings, especially in fitting rooms, is revolutionizing how customers interact with the purchasing process. This cutting edge technology has the power to completely transform and improve the retail industry, which will benefit both customers and merchants. Customers will benefit from an additional level of ease and customization because of the use of the AR in fitting rooms. This technology facilitates decision making by enabling virtual try ons of clothing items, hence reducing the necessity for in person garment adjustments. Customers now have a more effective and fulfilling buying experience since they can now see things in a way that was previously only possible through in person encounter. Technology makes it easier to acquire consumer preference and behavior data, which gives retailers useful information for inventory control and focus on marketing campaigns. So that's all from our group. Thank you.
So that is all from us. Thank you for listening and don't ask any question.